welcome back to my channel. I'm Khushi and you are watching Khushi Not Only Makeup, and today we are finally going out of Calcutta during the COVID situation. So let's go and get started. I am traveling in a private car with my family. So I have Bhaiya, I have Bhabhi, I have the two kids, and I have my husband Amit. So all of us are traveling together in Bhaiya's car, and we are safe and sound, and we are heading to Bakhali and the adjoining beaches, which is going to be a treat for y'all. Hey guys! So on the way to Bakhali, we stopped by at Diamond Harbour, a small town in 24 Parganas South, which is a district in West Bengal, and it is situated on the Hooghly River bank. It's a quaint little place on the way, and it's very famous for its fishes, especially the Hilsa fish. After taking a small little chai break, we headed back on the way to Bakhali. Hey guys, so we have stopped by at this newly made bridge which connects Kolkata to Bakhali, Frazerganj, Henry Island, Jambudweep via Namkhana. It reduces travel time by 2 hours when you compare it with the water transit previously. It makes life super simple and very hassle-free when you're traveling to Bakhali. So we have now reached our hotel in Frazerganj called Hotel Deepak, which we had booked online. Since this was a sudden plan, we did not get much time to check out more hotels, but if you are traveling and have time in hand, then you must check out the hotel there itself and then book your hotel. This hotel had these minimal sanitizing facilities, and this is the room tour. The balcony view is beautiful. The room is pretty average, nothing fancy, just for one night it was just okay. It was an AC room. The toilet was clean, and this is the property tour which I'm taking you to. The hotel was quite big and spacious and open. It had ample space to walk around like I am doing right now, and this is the suite area, the cottage area, and it also has access to the pool. And then I loved my time on the swing like I always do. Finally, we are out of the hotel and we are heading to the destinations nearby. We already finished our lunch in the hotel itself, and it was all neat and clean, and then we are inside our private car with mask and all, and I'm only taking out the mask when I'm inside the car, but otherwise I was all wearing it and kept my sanitizer in the pocket. And throughout the time it was pretty difficult to manage, but yes, it was a weekend trip, so we managed pretty well. And of course, dab nariyal is a necessity whenever you're visiting a beach, and this was the the Frazerganj fishing harbor where the fishing happens, and it also had a minimal parking and entry fee. I'm going to mention that in the description. And next up, we are going to the best place in Bakhali. It is called the Kargil beach, and this net is for safeguarding the fishes from the fish preying birds. So here I am at the Kargil beach. It is beautiful, worth the journey, worth the toil we took, and worth the chances we took, because it is simply beautiful here. I feel like that I am right now in Goa and not in Bakhali. It is so beautiful. Have a look at the sunset. It is a beautiful virgin beach with low footfall in the wee hours, and a treat to witness the sunrise and sunset from here. Next up, we visited the Frazerganj beach in the evening when it was already very dark, and I promised to come here next morning to view the beauty of this very well-known beach here in Bakhali. Now we reached the Bakhali beach where we saw the Durga Puja pandal and completely avoided that place. Avoiding the crowded places, we thought of getting inside these amazing local shops where the artists make things with their hands, and I would love to support them and buy some goodies from them, and I really enjoyed my experience over this shop. If you follow me on Instagram, you would already see what all I have shopped from Bakhali and some amazing pieces I have got for peanuts, and I really admire the artist over here. And now we have reached the Bakhali beach and it was already very dark. We just took some tea and sat there in the chairs which were available for 10 rupees an hour, and later we came back to our hotel, had dinner. And good morning guys, it's day 2 in Bakhali and I've just got up. It's about 6 a.m. in the morning. Now I have got ready for a beach walk and we will be heading to the beach nearby. Let's see which one, and it's going so good so far. Let's get started for day 2. To enjoy any place to the fullest, walking is the best recommended therapy in my opinion, and early morning walks are my favorite. I discovered some amazing places, clicked some pictures, shared them on Instagram for you to see, and I can't begin to tell you how happy I was. Finally, we reached the Frazierganj beach, which did not still recover from the Amphan mishap, and I felt very bad looking at this place which is trying to recover and get back on its feet. And after that we took an auto and we reached my favorite place during this tour, and it was a pleasant experience in the Toto also. I am back at the Kargil beach at 7 a.m. in the morning because yesterday we couldn't spend enough time in this stunning secluded beach. We took some drone shots, had chai, gazed the never-ending coastline, and thanked God for letting me witness this amazing beauty out here at Bakhali. We really wanted to visit the Henry Island, but it was closed due to the Amphan destruction. We cut short the trip and next day we planned for a next tourist destination. If you can guess that, put that in the comments down below and I will feature those names in the next video. All in all, this trip was such a breather for us, with loads of ifs and buts we had to keep in mind while traveling during COVID. So I hope you liked this video guys, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting upcoming vlogs. And we are going to go to so many different places.